Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your VPS configuration files using Ansible and Git. Complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your VPS configuration files using Ansible and Git, begin by ensuring you have Ansible and Git installed on your local machine. Open your terminal or command prompt. Create a new directory for your Ansible playbook. Navigate to that directory using the cd command. Create a new file named backup.yml in your chosen directory. In the backup.yml file, start by defining the hosts. Use the hosts keyword followed by the target server or group name. Specify the connection type by adding remote_user for SSH access. Next, add a task to gather the configuration files you wish to backup. Utilize the copy module to copy files from your VPS to your local machine. Define the source path on the VPS and the destination path on your local machine. If needed, add additional tasks for more files or directories. Save and exit the backup.yml file. In your terminal, create a new Git repository in the same directory. Use the command git init to initialize the repository. Now, add your backup.yml file to the Git staging area using git add backup.yml. Commit your changes with a message describing the backup configuration. Run the command git commit m initial commit of Ansible backup configuration. To execute the Ansible playbook, run the command Ansible playbook backup.yml. Monitor the output for any errors or issues during execution. Once the backup is complete, check your local destination for the copied configuration files. If you wish to keep track of changes over time, create subsequent commits after each backup. Document the process and any specific configurations in a README file for future reference. Remember to regularly commit to your Git repository for a comprehensive backup history. For added security, consider using branching or tags in Git for major configurations. Finally, ensure you periodically test your backup and restore process to validate your configuration integrity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.